Oh, well, she's given me her code.
Okay.
Can you please give me yours?
Yes, it is 361036.
Okay.
Yeah. Says you're connected.
Have you got control?
Hello.
Yes, hello, Paulie.
Hello.
Morning.
At my head, I can only see where it says Ed Robinson is now connected to your computer. Okay, now I can see.
You got okay, both of us, yeah. Yeah.
Ed, I can't see. I think you closed my screen. So shall I give you a new code?
Any better?
Oh, I can see. Yeah, I can see
Yeah.
you now.
Oh, well done. Well, you're still sideways, Pauline, but that doesn't really matter. Okay. Well, last.
Started as she meant to go on it.
Okay, last lesson.
I know.
Well, been a long time. I'll just show you what I've got in mind, really. First of all, we were looking at Pauline's project, and I think you know the idea. It's essentially file transfer. So what we do is click on this, and that should open up something where we could select a file, and that would place the file in this area here, which indeed is actually a list box. And then I do the same thing over here and select a folder, and finally I click this copy selected, which should copy the file across to that particular folder. We also have the option to rename the folder, the file as it goes, so that being the renaming. But okay, so that's just a brief overview for you. So the two things I want to talk about really are list boxes and file handling, and also this thing here, which is the file dialog. Okay, and then we'll come later to your project, Lucy, where we use WinSCP for file transfer, and the things that were.
The document ready as well with everything else, with all the amendments that you.
Oh, good. Okay.
Before, so you know, like the copying over.
Right.
And the user box has been created. So.
All right. That will involve what we call shell, and I'll show you how to. We're going to. This thing here is called shell, and we'll talk about that as well. So let's start at the beginning. There's those various things we need to talk about. First of all, I guess we could talk about the list box. So let me take a look at this. So we're going to rely a bit on your chapter 11, where you made a list box on a user form and populated it. Right. So can you show me how I would put a list box on the screen, on the spreadsheet? Well, we did it for a user form.
Yeah.
Somebody?
Should I
Yep.
try?
Go ahead, Pauline. Yeah, well done. Yes. No. No, 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 no. It's the one, that one there. Yeah. Okay, and you can draw. Well done. Okay, what we want to do is to populate it. Now, it was in chapter 11 about populating it with a variant array. Are you going to grab your notes, Pauline? That's Lucy. That's fine. Well, okay, well, somebody put a command button on there, please. Missed. Yeah. Nice big command button. Okay. Okay. Now, I'd like to know what the name of the list box is. How will you tell me what the name of the list box is?
To look at the properties.
Indeed. Well spotted. So, yeah, not there. No, you need to right-click on the list box itself. That's it. And choose the properties. You can bet your life it's going to be list box 1, which it is over there. That's fine. Yeah. Okay, so let's... well, what I'll do, I'll just double-click on the command button, and what I'll do is type listbox 1. Well, I guess a way of knowing if it's right or not, if I press the dot, then it comes down with all the properties. Which one do we want to populate the list box?
List.
Well done. So choose that. And do you remember, keep going, equals, thank you, and we've got to put that equal to, do you remember?
So we want whatever, so we put in the companies in there.
Yeah, well spotted. Yeah, in other words, the variant array. So we'll put it in equals ARR or whatever for an array. ARR. That's good. Thank you. Okay, and so that means, let me do it. I'll just say we need to define a variant array. Somebody?
So dim.
Yep.
So we
Go ahead. Yep.
Yeah.
Well done. Yeah. Do you remember how to?
And then we want to say what it is. So what the list box.
Go on then. So ARR equals, and then we used the word. It's a very simple word. Well done. Well done. You had a good memory, Pauline. That's great. Yeah. And then put a couple of entries, anything you like. Put Pauline. How about that? Pauline or Lucy. Yeah, Lucy. Yeah, and comma. Well done. Yeah, and oh, hello. Thank you. Okay. Okay. If you could run that, please. You need to get onto you. Yeah, well done. Take the design off. Well done, whoever that is. And that's it. Well done. So that's how I've just been